Sunil. My character is Eklavya. I am Upen. My character is Raju. My name is Somana. My character is Arjun. I am Patil. My character is Drona. I am Susu. My character is Pandava. I am Kumar. My character is Kaurava. My name is Tukaram. My character is Dog. My name is Jain. My character is Deer. My name is Jain. My character is Deer. I am Pradeep. My character is Tree. This is the story of Eklavya, who is learning archery in front of Dronacharya because Dronacharya refused to teach Sabdavedya art by the saying of Arjuna and other things. 2 years later, Dronacharya decorated with flowers on a platform under the tree. Eklavya going before the idol and somebody waiting peacefully at a distance. Hey Acharya, how kind of you are, taught me Acharya. Well, within these 2 years, what good luck is mine for as my guru? I have achieved my goal. My dear forms are now free from trouble. How faithfully they are daydreaming. This is the not all of good sound is coming nearer. Now no fear, my dear animal, no dog or wolf disturb your peace as long as I live. So quite a big party of hunters. They risked their deer against the innocent animals of the forest. Oh, what do I see? My unity is moving. Oh, this is the one. Oh, this is the one. Acharya, Eklavya, the son of Hiranyakashipu, says his respect to you. Arjuna boy, God bless you, what has killed you? Have friends in archery. In the short study, your teacher must be a great one. Really? This boy has the master of training by sound. It is all the result of your blessing, great Acharya. Learn all the tricks of archery under your kind guidance of your archery. Actually, no. Acharya, you promised to make me the greatest archer in the world, but here is the who accepts me and says you are his guru. Actually, no. I have said already. It is the tradition of this God that has made it a good government. Whatever it may be, Acharya, you have not kept your word, but here is the who accepts me and says you are. Yes, Eklavya, if you feel that time will teacher, you will have fulfillment. Acharya, so was it really you? You have not kept your promise. Dear Eklavya, if you say that time will teacher, I describe Buddha, can you do me your right thumb as Buddha? Do not approve the great Acharya. Oh, please, I cannot bear his wishes. Promise you shall be kept. My noble master is her, my Guru Dakshina. I now know more indeed of my goal. Please, you know the greatest archery. If this you have not a competitor in me, the